Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my last tutorial for Beebeecraft, and I'm going to be using these stamps and the stencil set. Now these are beautiful. I'll just show you what's in the set. Got this beautiful lady with the flower and the leaf, and then there's another one here. In each one you've got a lady and an extra pattern, probably to put on her dress or around her or whatever. Isn't that gorgeous? And here's the fairy one, so you can add the fairy wings to the side of her. And the princess one. And I love this one, the mermaid one. I'd love, when I do my shell journal, I'm going to do this one in it, because I can you know, it's got the head of the mermaid, but I can do something really special for the tail. That'll be cool. And then you've got an oriental lady. So they're really cool. Today I want to use these two, and I'll save those ones for another project. So I'm going to use these two and these stamps, which are just beautiful. I had a little play with one of them, so I want to put that down with some mica powders. That's my plan for that. And I better find a Versamark pad in here somewhere. I thought I had all my gear together. Alright, I've got that mica powder, and I've got other stuff around me that you can't see, but I'll bring it in. Alright, now I'm working on a journal and I want to add this to a double page. So I'm going to take this double page out. Try and remember where I took it out from. And I'm going to work on that. So it's a little bit textured, but I think we'll do alright. Right, now, under there, a little bumpy. Now, I'm no expert at mixed media. I think mixed media is just, really, it's just having a go at whatever comes to your mind. I've got a few colours. I picked 3 colours that I want to use on here, plus a distress ink. Okay, and I'm just going to, I don't know, just do whatever I feel like doing. So I might quicken up the video. I know some people don't like that, but I might, otherwise it's going to take me ages because I'll be fiddling around. But I'll stop the video when I want to explain something or something like that. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video, and we'll get started. Alright, so that's my page. Now, keeping in mind that I've got a crease down here because that's going to go in my journal. Okay, and that's why I've put these two close together, because you're only going to see one at a time. Okay, what I've done. Okay, I put some distress ink on. You would have seen me do right at the beginning, just to get some colour down. I used my brushos to splatter some ink around. I used some water-soluble crayons to get some colour down. What else? Then I stuck down some book page, some prints like that, like from a book, a library card. Then I used my stamps here from Beebeecraft to add to this, and if you can see this beautiful print here that I've done with the mica powders and the what ink was it, just the Versamark. And that's a great way of using up your mica powders, just Versamarking down and then putting the powder over it. Now you can seal that with some hairspray and then that won't come off. So I've got another one on this side. Isn't it beautiful? And then one up here as well. And then I also used that with the black ink. Just putting, they're very fine stamps. They're not, you know, they're not block sort of colours. They're very fine stamps, but they put a beautiful texture down on your page, there and there. And up here, and I also used just my go-to stamps as well, just a couple, one of my lines, writing stamps, you know, script stamps. Then I used the texture paste to put the pattern in the middle here, and just put a little bit of water on there so it just picks up some of the ink around the pattern as well. And then I also used some of my sequins that I aged in my last video from Beebeecraft, some in her hair, some on a necklace. And I really love how this has turned out. Really love how it turned out. I love these lady stamps, stencils. They're pretty cool, and I'll have to, oops, I'll have to go and soak them in some water to clean them up. But that's all good. They'll clean up. Yeah, so that was some of my homemade texture paste. What else did I use? The black liner was an acrylic pen. I got a set of them recently, and some white paint pens. I splattered it with some white paint. This is a real fine liquid, a matte flow, so it flows really well for your splatters. And then I added a little bit of, you know, net here. It's very hard to see the net, but in person you can see it. And what else did I add? I think that was it. I might even go over it with a bit of matte medium, or this is the gloss one, but if I only put just one light coat on, it's very matte like, so I might do that once it's all dry and I can put it in my book. But I really like that addition of the sequins as well. They just look really grungy for me, which I like. And that's a page in my junk journal. Alright, so if you're new here, I'm showcasing these stamp sets from Beebeecraft, which I've used today. And I'm also showcasing these, this set of stencils, which are just awesome. I love them. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the set. 6 different ladies. Okay, showcasing them for Beebeecraft. Thank you, Beebeecraft, for sending me these products. I loved how they turned out, and yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this too. I don't know, I'm not fantastic at what do you call it, mixed media. I just do whatever turns out and whatever, I just have fun doing it. I don't do any rhyme or reason to it. I guess just laying down those base things is the first thing you do, and I just go from there and just have fun doing it. I think that's the most important thing, is to just have fun doing it. And I'll put it in my junk journal, and I might even do a few more pages in there, just to tie it all in, because that will only go in one signature, and go from there. I've got mica powder all over me. Just be careful when you use the mica powder too, that you don't breathe any of it in. Alright, thank you for joining me today, and don't forget, my up on screen will be my coupon code for Lita 10, and if you put that in at checkout, you'll get 10% off your products. All the links will be below for Beebeecraft and the products that I've used today, and you can pop down, if you pop down through my links, it lets Beebeecraft know that you've gone in through me, and that would be really helpful. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. There's a lot of really nice stuff to look at in there. So have fun looking, and I will join you real soon for a new video. Bye.